G'day, Divergence traders. How are we all doing today? It's July 4th, and there was a few trades today also. So we're looking at the NASDAQ 5 minutes. 5 minute. I'll try and wrap this up quick today. I know people have hot dogs and hamburgers and, some beers and whatever else out there today in the sunshine for July 4th celebration of America, in America. Okay, so let's quickly look at this now. We got a low and a lower low, or even a double bottom right through there. Look at that, perfect, boom, boom. And from here to up here, which we would have got in somewhere in here. Let's say we got in right here to make sure. Our stop was like 6 points, I think it was. I don't think it was 60 points. It's a NASDAQ. No, I guess it was 60 points. Anyway, it went up pretty good. And we had another trade, high and a higher high. It's like that. And down we go. Stop would have been 72 points. That must not be right. That must be just 15 points. Let's see, 15,194. Yeah, I think that's, I don't know. We'll just, anyway, it was a winner right here and buy right here. Let's look at the, oh, that's a mess. We don't want to look at that. Look at this. 10 points. See, from the open down there, it only went down 50 points. I bet you this didn't move hardly either. Yeah, look at how spotty it is. Yeah. Not even gonna mark it up. Let's try and get through this. What I really want to show you today is oil and gold. So let's take a look at oil. Okay. Now, this indicator up here, okay, I'm going to show you how it would have saved you today from losses, okay? So, over here, in the UK session, we went up, okay, and right here to right here, okay? Is divergence to sell, and the setup to sell was right here, okay? So what I'm going to do today, and another one too, here, let me show you, two of them, right here, or no, Rod put it in the wrong spot, okay. The divergence is right here. Okay, to sell right here. So let's mark these now. Where we would have got in right here, selling right here on the close of this candle. Okay. And right there. Okay. Now, it's not going to tell us now. This indicator is only good at the time of the setup. Okay. Well, like right now on all these time frames, it's bullish. It's telling you the 5 is above the 7. But at the time over here, I'm going to show you on the 15 minute, because we're on the 5 minute, trading the 5 minute. But in order to do a trade, we want to make sure that we're trading with the trend, right? Not against it. So we are always looking at the time frame above the current time frame that you're looking to trade off of, because we use the 15 as our filter. So if we go on the 15 and we go over here, here is the first sell, okay, right here. See, right here, high and a higher high, and there was divergence. If you would have sold right in here, guess what happened? Your stop would have been right here. Let me make it bigger. Okay, you would have sold here, your stop would have been here. Guess what happened right away almost after you sold it? Doing a counter trend regular divergence setup. Well, you would have got stopped out because it came back and it got your stop and it pushed higher. And then the second time it told you to sell right in here on the 5 minute, look at this. The 5 is above the 7. It's telling you don't sell. We're in an uptrend. Okay? And once again, right here, it looks like here's another trade right here. Oh no, this is on the 15 minutes. That's right. Here's a trade that didn't really go anywhere, but if you bought the dip right here, well, you got something out of it. Okay, and was there divergence down here? Oh yeah. This is the 15 minute, okay? So there was divergence on the 15 minute. It's right here, okay? And right here, all the way down over here, okay? You would have bought right in here, right near the low of the move on the 15. So you would have bought here or here. Let's say you bought up here. Your stop would have been 33 points. It definitely went up 33 points, okay? It went up 90 points to the top. But this is the importance of this indicator is without changing time frames, you can tell at the current time right here, it'll tell you don't sell it because we're in an uptrend, and it would have saved you from losing. And again, right here, don't sell. We're in an uptrend, and sure enough, it saved you from losing again. Okay? That's what I wanted to show you. If you want the indicator, okay, send me an email and I'll send it to you. I already sent out a few today. And if you don't want it, that's okay. It's up to you. For some people, it might be of use to them, and some people, no. And I understand that. Okay. There's another example I could show you too on, this is oil, on gold, but I'm not going to get into it. I've got to get through this here quickly today. Okay. So that's, well, here's a trade here again, double top right off $71 a barrel. There's divergence. And it didn't go very far. So if you did get in here and your stop was 18 points, let's see, did you get 18? Oh yeah, you would have got your 1-to-1 right there. And there's another trade right here, low and lower low. Let me just show you. Lots of trades on oil today. And right here, boom. And it was definitely a winner. You would have got long right in there, shot right up. 40 points in that 5-minute candle. All right. And there's divergence setting up again right up here. High and higher high and down on the indicator, see? That's the setup. Okay, let's look at gold. Yeah, looking at the 15-minute. So I believe it was right here. Let's go look at the 5. Yes. That same scenario, pulled back right here. Divergence was right here. Let me quickly show you right here. High and higher high. And right here to right here. And you would have bought I mean, you would have sold right here and it went down a little bit and then went way up. Okay, if you looked at the 15, it never crossed down here, the 7. It was never ever telling you to sell it. It was only telling you to buy it on the 15 minute. And it was right. It was right to buy it. Okay? It was right to buy. You know, find buy trades all the way up because it's in an uptrend all the way. And most of the time, 9 times out of 10, along the way in an uptrend, there's going to be little retracements like right here, right here, right here, and you can't sell them. You got to confirm it with a higher time frame so you don't do the wrong thing at the wrong time. People lose money because they're buying when they should be selling, or they're selling when they should be buying. And that's it. That's how simple it is to not getting screwed trading. Okay? Anyway, if you want that indicator, it's right here. I got a copy for you if you're interested. Okay, let's take a look here now. We have divergence right here. This is gold, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we got a high and a higher high. Actually, we got a double top right here. Lots of trades today. Double top and right here. See what it sold there. I definitely gave you your 1-to-1. Went down like 10 points, 20 points. We even had a trade right here to buy it. But I know for a fact that at that time, right in here, it was still in on the 15 minute, it was still saying don't buy right here. See, it wouldn't have lined up here, and that's what you want, because you got to have some filter where it's saying yes and no at the same time. Okay, then we have a low and a lower low. There's no divergence here because this valley is deeper than this one. Okay, and yes, you could make it to a point where there is here. Look, it's like a double bottom. And right here like this, and you could have found a trade right in there to get in. Stop would have been 12 points, went up 16 points, 22 points. And what do we have right in here? Well, we have a high and a higher high. Hold on now. When we enter here, let's see, what does the 15 minute say? Yeah, see, there was no entry for that trade because it was still bullish on the 15-minute time frame. See, sometimes it will not line up, but it lined up right here. Okay, you don't want something that's always going to say yeah buy, yeah sell, because some of them are going to be fake outs. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, and I bet this didn't line up either at this time. Let me put a line here. Let's see. Okay, so this was a buy trade. I bet you it was still in sell. It had to have been. Yeah. See, it was just, it wasn't crossed up yet. See, so if you're going to follow with this indicator, there was no sell here and there was no buy here. It's not going to line up. But when it does line up, it's good. Okay? Right here, it went down 32 pips. You know, it's up to you. You know, you got to take it under your own discretion. Do I want to try? If it's going to be choppy up and down like this, it's not going to line up with the higher time frame, and there's going to be no setup. Okay, but what it's mainly for is when it's in a long trend up, like over here. Okay, it gave this sell trade right here, and it saved you because it went up and it would have hit your stop. But yeah, but sometimes like during, I'd rather miss a setup and be, even though it was right, than to do every setup and be wrong. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, I think you see what I'm saying. Okay, let's move along. Pound yen. There's divergence here. Boom, boom. It was sold here. Stop was 15 pips. Went down 18 pips. Would have been good. Euro yen. Oh. Right here. Right here. You would have got right in there at like 7 o'clock. Stop was 7 pips. Only 7 pips. You would have got that in the first 10 minutes right there. Then we have basically a double bottom here. You see that? Just like that. Like that. You would have got long right in here. Stop was 11 points. Went up 20, almost 2 to 1. And our last instrument of today, pound dollar. Yeah, I wanted to show you this here. See this right here? You see how much price respects these pivots? Oh yeah. It was dancing on the pivot right here. Woo, woo, woo. You see that? Right here. Boom. And the arrow would have bought it right there. Okay, you would have bought it right in here. See, and there's 28 pips to the top. We're gonna have 42 pips. See up here, it did a retracement, across down, but there was no divergence to sell it. See that right in here? So it told you, stay long, stay long. Well, I actually would have told you is this. From here to here. And from here to here. And it told you to buy it, because that's hard to see divergence, hidden divergence right here. So if you would have bought it here, your stop would have been 7 pips. Went up 21 pips. That's 3 to 1 win-loss ratio. And was there a trade up here? Yeah, there was. It's double top right there. Boom. Close enough. Nothing's perfect in this world. And right here. And right here. Okay, that was a sell trade. The sell right in here. Okay, so if you sold right here, your stop would have been 7 pips. It went down 7.4 pips. So you would have got your 1 to 1 for sure. Okay, that's it. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a great July 4th. To all my American friends down south of me. And have a great day. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Good luck and good trading.